Hello, this is Coach Lydia Knight, and we are ending eating disorders and freeing women from every cage. And freedom is to enjoy cooking. So it's such an absolute joy on the side of freedom to be able to have fun with food. And many of us enjoy cooking, and it's one of those wonderful things that when you have every food and cuisine open to you because you're not freaked out about food, because you're calm and steady and it's all good, you can enjoy cooking and you can make things that taste good and you can use all the flavors and you can use all the ingredients. And just today we had one of our incredible clients celebrate. She's like, I can really enjoy cooking again. And she's like, I can enjoy cooking. I can taste my food along the way. I can enjoy a meal. And it's this activity that brings us together in such a beautiful and human way. And to be able to access that is a wonderful joy of freedom. So for your next step to freedom, go to lifewithlydia.com.